back to Car Reviewpedia. In today's video, we're shifting gears from our usual car reviews to dive into a segment that's gaining popularity in the world of travel and leisure: motorhomes. Yes, you guessed it right, we're talking about the highly anticipated 2025 motorhomes, and we're going to give you an in-depth review of what to expect in the upcoming model year. If you're someone who's considering hitting the open road or simply loves exploring the possibilities of traveling in style, then you've come to the right place. The 2025 motorhomes are designed to make travel more comfortable, practical, and enjoyable than ever before. Whether you're planning a long road trip across the country or looking to enjoy a weekend getaway, the new motorhomes promise to offer all the luxury and convenience you could need. Let's jump straight into what makes these motorhomes stand out from the crowd. First off, one of the most significant changes in the 2025 models is the emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly features. Motorhome manufacturers are stepping up their game in terms of fuel efficiency and lowering the environmental impact of their vehicles. Expect to see electric and hybrid models coming into the spotlight, giving eco-conscious travelers an option that doesn't sacrifice comfort for sustainability. These new motorhomes are also designed with energy-efficient systems, such as solar panels and smart climate control, which not only help reduce your carbon footprint but also ensure you have a more self-sufficient and enjoyable journey. When it comes to interior design, the 2025 motorhomes have really raised the bar. Think of them as a home on wheels, spacious, modern, and fully equipped with all the amenities you'd expect in a high-end apartment. With the evolution of smart technology, these motorhomes will be equipped with cutting-edge features like voice-controlled systems, smart lighting, and adjustable interiors that can be customized based on your needs. The living spaces are designed to be more versatile and functional, with foldable furniture, hidden storage compartments, and convertible sleeping areas that make use of every inch of space. Now let's talk about the driving experience. Motorhome manufacturers are constantly improving the mechanics to ensure that your ride is smooth and effortless, even when you're behind the wheel of such a large vehicle. The 2025 models come with more advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, all of which help provide a safer and more relaxing driving experience. You can expect more responsive handling and improved suspension systems, making it easier to drive on long stretches of highway or through winding mountain roads. Plus, the latest models come with upgraded engines, ensuring better fuel economy and more power for tackling challenging terrains. But what about connectivity? In the digital age, staying connected is a priority for many of us, even when we're out on the open road. The 2025 motorhomes have incorporated state-of-the-art infotainment systems that offer seamless connectivity with your smartphones, tablets, and other devices. Built-in Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and Bluetooth systems will keep you entertained and connected with the world around you, no matter where you're parked. And with integrated GPS, you can easily navigate to your next adventure without worrying about getting lost. Another exciting aspect of these 2025 models is the range of customization options available to buyers. Manufacturers are offering various floor plans and interior design packages, allowing you to choose how you want your motorhome to look and feel. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist design or something more rustic and cozy, there's something for everyone. Additionally, you can personalize your motorhome with features like outdoor kitchens, pop-out sections, and even pet-friendly spaces, ensuring that you have everything you need for the perfect road trip. Finally, let's talk about pricing. As with any new model, the 2025 motorhomes will likely carry a premium price tag, but when you factor in all the new technology, comfort, and efficiency improvements, it might just be worth the investment. Of course, the price will vary depending on the model, size, and features you choose, so it's essential to compare different options to find the one that best suits your needs and budget. To wrap up, the 2025 motorhomes are a game changer in the world of travel. With improved fuel efficiency, cutting-edge technology, enhanced comfort, and more customization options, they're set to revolutionize the way we think about road trips. Whether you're a full-time traveler or someone who loves the occasional weekend getaway, these new motorhomes promise to offer a level of convenience and luxury that will make your time on the road more enjoyable than ever before. Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia. In today's video, we're shifting gears from our usual car reviews to dive into a segment that's gaining popularity in the world of travel and leisure: motorhomes. Yes, you guessed it right,